Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. I'm Meera Singh, your English teacher. Today we will learn about the 9 basic parts of speech of the English language. Now, the first most important part of speech is called the noun. To define further, nouns are a person, name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. They can take on a number of roles in a sentence, from the subject to the object of action. Now, they are capitalized when there is an official name of something or someone, and these are called proper nouns. So, proper nouns are spelled with a capital. Examples: Caribbean, ship, freedom, Captain Jack, etc. Apart from nouns, there is a category called pronouns. Pronouns stand for nouns in a sentence. They are more generic versions of nouns that refer only to people. Example: I, you, he, she, it, ours, them, who, which, anybody, and ourselves. Now, this is about the noun and the pronoun. The second category, as we proceed to the structure of the English language, which is the basic structure of SVO, where S stands for subject, V for verb, and O for object. Most of the sentences of the English language are within the framework of this structure. So, from the subject, that is from noun and pronoun, we now move to the most important category of the part of speech, which is verb. Now, verbs are action words. In the simplest form, we can say that verb is a word which denotes action and tells us what actually happens in a sentence. They can also show a sentence subject state of being, that is or was. Verbs change form based on tense. That is, a verb bears the tense of the sentence. If we have to identify the tense in a sentence, then first you have to locate the verb, and the verb identifies the tense. It bears, or the tense is inherent in the verb in any sentence. And the verb also bears the count, that is, whether it is singular or it is plural. So you see the importance of the verb in the English language and in a sentence. That is, verb denotes two kinds of specific uh, ideas in a sentence. First is it denotes the tense of the sentence, and second, it denotes the number or the count in any sentence. Now, very common examples of verbs are sing, talk, dance, play, finish, eat, drink, etc. Now, the verb has another part to it, which is called the adverb. Now, adverbs are the words which describe verbs. That is, they tell us about the specificity of the verb. They specify these categories: when, where, how, and why something happened. So, verb tells us about something happened, denotes action, and adverb tells us when the action took place, where it took place, how it took place, and why it took place. So, and to what extent and how often did the action take place. Usually adverbs are identified, it is a very common distinction, the adverbs are identified with the ly, that is, words ending in ly usually are adverbs. Example: softly, lazily, only, hopefully. Now, this is not the rule, but usually it is a word ending in ly, and a word which describes a verb is called an adverb.